Thanks for joining us today. Before we get to this month's news, and in light of recent events, I'd like to share a few words. These are really tough times. Recent events have shown this is a time where issues around race, ethnicity, religion, and law enforcement, things that should be a source of comfort and enrichment to us, have been a source of divisiveness, misunderstandings, hate, and even violence. If this has touched your life in a personal way, I am so very sorry. At Lakeland, this is in stark contrast to why we're here and who we want to be. We're in the business of loving and respecting everyone who walks through our doors. I hope we can all commit to being a source of kindness and compassion, not only throughout Lakeland, but at home, in our community, and throughout our communications on social media. This isn't the first time, and I'm sure it won't be the last, that we'll be confronted by stressful situations. Thank you for being part of the Lakeland family, and thanks for all you do to be a source of caring and comfort for your colleagues and everyone entrusted to our care.
Thanks for joining us today. I'm Chantel Booth. Here's your Lakeland News and Review. Almost 30 Lakeland leaders recently met with leaders from 5 other Michigan health systems at a day-long retreat for the Clinically Integrated Network. Throughout the day, leaders discussed best practices and how systems throughout the network can align care models to help reduce variations in patient care, lower total health care costs, and improve the health of patients and communities served by the network. 19 medical residents have graduated and are on their way to beginning their medical careers. The graduation ceremony was held on June 12th at the Inn at Harbor Shores, and State Senator John Prose served as the commencement speaker. This year marks the second class of graduating residents in family medicine, emergency medicine, and dermatology, and the third class of internal medicine residents. Of the 19 graduates, 9 doctors will stay in the area and join our medical staff. We wish all new graduates success in their future endeavors. In June, Lakeland Health Foundations awarded over $126,000 in scholarships and grants at the 24th Annual Allied Health Career Scholarship Reception. This year, a total of 49 Lakeland team members received scholarships, with 49 departments receiving grants. Bart Burnt, Executive Director of Diagnostic Services, was selected as this year's Leo Saru's Leadership Award recipient. Bart received the award for his compassionate leadership style and commitment to leading by example, living out Lakeland's traits every day. Bart's vision and leadership recently led to upgrades of the catheter lab and the purchase of state-of-the-art equipment for patient care. Congratulations to all of this year's scholarship and award recipients. Emergency department and walk-in clinic wait times are now available on the Lakeland Health website. The section on the homepage allows visitors to view the average amount of time they may have to wait between entering the facility and when they will see a provider at each location. The times are based on a 1-hour rolling average and are updated every 5 minutes. Patients with life-threatening emergencies will always receive immediate care. If you or someone you know is having a medical emergency, call 911. Caring Circle wants to encourage community members to make their end-of-life wishes known through a new program called Speak for Yourself, Plan Your Care. Over the next 6 months, 25 certified Lakeland facilitators will work with pilot teams at 7 locations to conduct advanced care planning conversations using new patient education tools and a revised care plan document. This pilot program will help us enhance documentation within Epic and identify other opportunities to improve the program before expanding to other locations. For more information, contact Melinda Gruber at 269-429-7100. While advanced care planning is an important part of healthcare, both patients and providers can be reluctant to discuss end-of-life care. Being Mortal is a documentary that explores the hopes of patients and families facing terminal illness and their relationships with the doctors who care for them. Caring Circle is offering free movie screenings of Being Mortal to team members and the community. In addition to showing the documentary, events will include information on advanced care planning and time for community discussion after the showing. For event dates and more information, visit www.caring-circle.org. Teamwork, respect, accountability, inspiration, trust, and safety are the foundation of our ability to achieve our mission to enhance health and serve our community. Team members live out our traits every day. As patients receive care from many different team members and departments, it is important that we work together as a team to bring the best care. Here are a few examples of what it means to value teamwork. Communicate with your team. Be sure to share important information and ask any questions that you might have. Be respectful of others and recognize that every team member has something valuable to add to a patient's care. Go the extra mile and be willing to help other team members when they need it. Be engaged with your job. By doing your best work, you're contributing positively to the work of your team. What does teamwork mean to you? We recently stopped by Lakeland Medical Center, St. Joseph to find out. I'm Chantel Booth, and that's your Lakeland News and Review.